Hey guys, Mr. K here, and I'm sure you're thinking that this is the Camon 12. Well, it is not. This is actually the Phantom 9, and this one right here is the Camon 12 Pro. Slightly similar, right? Now guys, Tecno launched three devices yesterday, the Camon 12, 12 Pro and the 12 Air. And at the moment, I have the Camon 12, which comes with three color options, and the Camon 12 Pro, which only comes with one color option. And straight off the bat, the Camon 12 looks slightly similar to the Phantom 9 in terms of colors, whereas the 12 Pro has like a different color gradient pattern. So the purple is starting from the left side rather than beneath, but I like the fact that you get a rainbow-like effect on the 12 Pro. Here's like another look at the effect I'm talking about. But yeah, another slight difference between the Camon 12, 12 Pro and the Phantom 9 is with this blue outline around the second camera. And talking about cameras, we have the same triple camera setup on all three phones, and I tried to compare the Phantom 9's camera with the Camon 12's Pro camera, and the first thing I noticed based on first impression is the fact that the Camon 12 Pro has a warmer tone as opposed to the cooler tone on the Phantom 9. But some people might actually like how contrasted the Phantom 9 looks. Let me know what you think. Now here's another image that shows the warm tone on the Camon 12 Pro as opposed to the cooler tone. Next shot is this flower, and the Camon 12 Pro did a better job with dynamic range, as you can see that the details aren't lost in the shadows and the highlights. I also tried to compare the portrait mode, and the Camon 12 Pro handled the edge detection better than the Phantom 9. So next up is the ultra wide angle and the telephoto lens. And yeah, I like the fact that the Camon 12 Pro has slightly good dynamic range. As you can see that there's a bit of detail in the cloud, and the same can also be said for this shot. So moving to the front camera, and we can see the warm look versus cool look thing going on. And zooming into the picture, you can see that the details are quite retained. Anyway, I think I like how the Phantom 9 looks on this one. Let me know which look you prefer when it comes to the front camera. Alright, switching things to video, and there's no video stabilization, guys. So guys, this is like an indoor test of the Tecno versus the Phantom. Obviously the Phantom is a much more higher product, but this is just testing out the camera, and straight off I can see that the Phantom is slightly saturated, but there's like a slightly reddish tint to the Camon. But let me know what you think. And I'm indoors, but the area is well lit. Well, slightly well lit. But yeah guys, let me know what you think about the results in the comment box. And guys, this is like an outdoor test. So I'll do like a little puzzle. Which one do you think is the Camon and the Phantom? It's quite easy. But yeah, let me know in the comment box. Still on the back of the device, Tecno has reintroduced the rear fingerprint sensor on the Camon 12 as opposed to the in-display fingerprint sensor on the 12 Pro. But yeah, moving to the front of the device, I noticed that the chain on the Camon 12 and the 12 Pro are slightly bigger than what you get on the Phantom 9. Now guys, they all use micro USB ports, which is not surprising given the fact that the Phantom 9 actually uses one too. But Tecno has repositioned the placement, so you get the earphone jack first, followed by the micro USB port. Now, one thing that is new on the Camon 12 Pro that is not available on the 12 is this colorful button right here, and it serves as a dedicated Google Assistant button. And guys, during my time with the device, I accidentally pressed this button a number of times thinking it was a power button, so this would take some time getting used to. Now, as far as the general specs go, here are the major differences between the Camon 12 and the 12 Pro. Now, the Camon 12 has a bigger screen and a slightly larger resolution, albeit at 720p, which is a major bummer. But yeah, the Camon 12 Pro also has a higher 6 gigs of RAM with an Helio P22 processor as opposed to the 4 gigs on the 12. However, the 12 comes with a larger battery size, so those who want bigger batteries might be tempted to go with the Camon 12. Anyway, this uses Tecno's HiOS 5.5, and I like the fact that it allows you to hide the notch in the settings. You can also customize the navigation buttons. And yeah, one thing that I noticed during my short time with the device is the fact that Tecno has baked Google Lens in the camera app of the Camon 12 and Camon 12 Pro, which is not, mind-blowing or new, but it is still great to have all the same. So guys, there you have it, my hands-on with the Camon 12 and 12 Pro. So my review will be coming up shortly, but let me know if you want me to do any form of comparison, any form of test. Let me know in the comment box. I am at your service. But yeah, with that said, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Take care.